made this beautiful croissant donuts, and what came to my mind was to turn them into sandwiches. Alhamdulillah, I had Dalu's low fat mayonnaise on hand, so I went ahead and made my donut dough, shaped them into croissants, and let them proof for an hour. Next, I made the creamiest coleslaw with Dalu's low fat mayonnaise. This mayonnaise is very thick, you guys. So creamy, so thick. You're gonna love it. I added some of the mayonnaise in a bowl, some ketchup, yaji, and black pepper, and lastly some milk. I mixed everything all together until nice and creamy like this. Then I went ahead to make the coleslaw. I used some cabbage, some grated carrots, some sliced onions, and some of that mayo mixture, and mix everything together. Well, this is my croissant donuts after an hour. I went ahead to fry them on both sides until golden brown and beautiful like this. You want to let them cool down completely. Once they've cooled down, you want to slice them in half. Spread some of that mayo mixture, cabbage, coleslaw, and some well seasoned and tender beef. You can substitute with chicken if that's what you have, and there you have it. This turned out so good, you guys. You've got to try this out. It's so good, trust me.